of a number. Good. So, come along with me and let's use the calculator together. The calculator we are going to use here is the Casio calculator. And it is similar to the scientific calculator because it has all the functions on it. Our calculator is already on. So the first we are going to pick is the square root of a number. How do we punch square root on the calculator? This is the square root sign. So you press on the square root, then you input your number into it. That is, we are finding the square root of 16. So we input 16 into the calculator and press on the equal to sign to give us our answer, which is 4. So after getting the square root, let's go to the cube root of a number. For cube roots, let's study the calculator very well. We have some numbers written with a red ink and green ink. So if you want the numbers written with the red ink, you have to press your shift key, and on top of the square root sign, we have cube roots written with red ink. So you press on the shift key and the square root sign, and that is giving us the cube root symbol. So we are finding the cube root of 27. So we just input our 27 into the cube root sign, then we press on equal to sign. And what is the answer giving us? The answer is 3. So cube root of 27 is 3. Now let's go to the fourth root. So we just pick any number. Good. So let's come to on. Then we are finding the fourth root of 16. Now we press on the shift key again. Then press on the square root sign. You see that it is by default, it is what? Giving us a cube root. So for us to get the fourth root, we have to move the cursor to the back of the 3. Then we clear the 3 and input our 4 over there. Then we bring back the cursor into the root sign. Then press 16. So this is the fourth root of 16. And press our equal to sign to give us our result. So the fourth root of 16 is giving us 2. So in this case, you can try so many examples on your own. I believe this video was helpful, and you are going to solve more examples on your own as well. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to bring it to the comment section, and I will respond you immediately. Thank you so much for your time. Until we meet again, please stay safe and